on YouTube. All right. Good morning, everyone. Court will begin with the November 14th, 2022 docket. Let me see who I have in the waiting room. Mr. Taylor. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Which is your case?
The cause number is CL-18-1590-D.
All right. It's a default judgment hearing, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that the only one you have?
Correct.
All right. Let me just go ahead and make sure that in the waiting room, I don't see nobody by the name of, well, first of all, court will take judicial notice of the entire file in CL 18-1590D, Reliant Energy Retail Services, LLC versus JP Tao, LLC, DBA, Breeze Lounge and Breeze Sports, DBA, Buck and Crazy Saloon, DBA. Court will note that in the waiting room, there's nobody by that name or title, and either in the courtroom. All right, let me just make sure if anybody else is representing them. Might not, but I'll ask Mr. Roger Garcia, who is checking in, or Mr. Fonseca. Can you hear me? Okay, Mr. Garcia,
Yes,
you
yes, Judge, I can hear you.
Yes, sir, Mr. Fonseca. Which is your case?
My case, Judge, is number 11 on the court civil docket.
Okay, I'll get to you in a little while. Hold
Yes.
on just a minute. Mr.
Of
Garcia,
course.
which is your case?
Judge, good morning. Yes, number 8. And I have a really quick announcement, Judge, if I may.
Okay, let me just do one gentleman here, and then I'll call you right back, okay?
Thank you, sir.
It'll be 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you may proceed, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, so my name is Carl and I am counsel for plaintiff Reliant Energy Retail Services, LLC. And today we are seeking a default judgment on behalf of my client. This was a somewhat older case. We substituted in as new counsel here within the last year or so. We took over this file from the predecessor law firm. But I went through everything, and the petition was filed back in October of 2019. The service was secured on defendant in November of 2019. The citation and proof of service have been on file with the court. No appearance or answer has been done or made by the defendant. We've provided all the information required for a default judgment. And so we're seeking today that default judgment be granted on behalf of Reliant and the principal amount of $12,234.85.
All right, court will hereby grant default judgment in favor of plaintiff. Court will grant plaintiff all relief requested here in open court or in its petition. Court will await a default judgment for signature. All right, sir, that'll do it. Thank you so much. Your excuse. Have a great day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Number 8.
Mr. Garcia.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're here on CL 20-94D, Dolores Guerrero, Luisa G. Silguero Bayeza versus Nancy Rodriguez, Gerardo Horacio Rodriguez. Yes, sir.
That's correct, Your Honor. I am representing the defendants on this matter. And I'm pleased to report to the court that plaintiff attorney Jorge Tuckler and I have resolved the matter concerning Dolores Guerrero. We just need to go through the drafting instructions and settlement documents that will be filed with the court. That will be dealt with as soon as we have the instructions provided to us. Concerning Ms. Silguero, Judge, Mr. Tuckler on Friday informed me that he has had difficulty locating her. So if he is unable to find her by the end of November, he will be filing a motion to withdraw as representative or counsel for Ms. Silguero. Thereafter, I will file all necessary motions with the court to consider.
All right, good deal. Then court will go ahead and accept the agreement of the parties here, and we'll go ahead and await some settlement papers or judgments for signature.
As far as today's motion to enforce settlement, if I may pass on that motion, Your Honor, I would be thankful.
All right, we'll put here pass, no action, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. That's all I have before your Honor court. May I be excused?
You're excused, sir. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, enjoy the holidays.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
Galal has number 4 and number 5.
4 and 5. Let me see here. Ms. Regalado. Let me see here. Good morning, Ms. Regalado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. I believe you're here on a couple of cases.
The same.
Oh, the same one? Oh, it's one. CL I'm sorry, CL 19-07-20D, Reyes Urbina versus Daniel Christopher Lauer, right, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. Jennifer Regalado on behalf of the defendant. And we have come to an agreement on this matter. We tried to file a Rule 11 on Friday, but it was rejected. So we will refile it, fixing whatever was wrong with it. So
All
we
right,
don't
so
need a hearing.
it'll be a Rule 11 to be filed, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then. Thank you for that announcement, ma'am. Have a great day, okay? Stay
You
safe.
too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Right now, we're just waiting for our attorneys.
I'm waiting for some attorneys. Take a short, brief recess.
Your Honor, real quick.
Yes, Mr. Fonseca.
Judge, I have an announcement on
Sure.
number 11. I talked to the amicus, Ms. Del Bosque,
Uh-huh.
and Ms. Williamson, and we are not really ready today. So I'm gonna submit a Rule 11 on that one. I just didn't have time because we just found out this morning my client's a little sick, and we don't have an agreement. So I think we're gonna have a joint motion for a DCC.
All right, and we're talking about cost number F2811-13-4 in the interest of Joseph Abraham Galindo.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, so there'll be no action today. I'll be awaiting Rule 11. And if you need another hearing, submit an order setting hearing date. Okay, sir.
Absolutely, Judge.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning. Court will resume with the November 14, 2022 docket. And Mr. Sepulveda? Yes, sir.
Hi,
Good
Judge.
morning. Yes, sir. Good morning. You're here on F 1338. 2023-19-4, right, sir? In the
That's
matter of the
correct, Judge.
marriage of Alvarez versus Alvarez,
That's correct, Judge.
and you have a motion to withdraw.
I have Judge Hassan opposed, Judge, and I did speak to the respondent outside, Judge. She's fine with it also.
She's
Yes, sir.
the respondent is pro se, right?
Yes, sir.
And you represent the plaintiff, I mean, the petitioner?
Petitioner, that's correct, Judge.
All right, it's granted. Just go ahead and make sure that an order is submitted, okay?
There should be one in the queue, Judge.
All right, we'll sign it
Thank
then.
you.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. You have a
Thanks.
great day. Bye-bye.
Likewise. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Ms. Isla.
Yes, sir.
I have Mr. Steve Efthimiou,
Uh-huh.
his client, and the client for Jose Martinez in the courtroom. They have an agreement, and he says doesn't need to appear, but they can file it via Rule 11.
Yeah, no, both Steve and Joe Martinez are on, so I'm gonna bring them in.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him on right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, let's see here. Court will resume with the November 14, 2022 docket. And I have F 6055-19-4 in the interest of Charles Green. And good morning, Mr. Efimiu. And good morning, Mr.
My client
Martinez.
is here, and
All right,
also
Mr.
it's,
Mr.
the
Efimiu,
person
you're skipping, Mr. Efimiu. You're cannot get you completely on the record, but you're skipping. Yes, sir. What do we have on this case?
We have an agreement for temporary orders.
okay, in this case,
Okay.
I'll
Were you
let-
gonna submit a Rule 11 or something?
yeah, we can submit some temporary orders for 11.
Yeah, Chantel can't take the record. He's breaking.
Yeah, we can't take the record, Mr. Mayfield, because you're skipping. We cannot get you completely. Is there any other phones or anything you can turn off or something near you?
He needs
No.
to walk around. If he has
Oh,
to-
walk around. He needs to walk around. You need to walk around, Mr. Efimiu. Go to a track field.
Okay, Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you need to walk around. Go to find yourself a track field at a high school and walk around. Yes, sir, Mr. Efimiu.
Right. Can you hear me now or not?
Yes, kind of.
Well, Mr. Martinez can put to the record that, we have an agreement.
Yes,
Okay.
Judge. We have an agreement regarding visitation and child support. They're gonna split the child on Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. Mr. Ethemiu's client, Mr. Green, is gonna pick the child up this Friday and pay a $360 a month temporary child support, also starting this Friday. And then we'll submit an agreed temporary order, Judge.
All right.
Since we're having trouble with the record right now. The ad
Okay.
litem is Cynthia del Bosque, and she is also in agreement.
Very well. Just make sure the attorneys sign the paperwork, okay?
Yes, Judge.
Right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Likewise.
Stay safe. Bye-bye. Any more lawyers?
We're
Liz-
waiting for Mr. Alfredo Garcia.
Okay, we're waiting for Mr. Alfredo Garcia. There is an Elizabeth in the waiting room. Let me see who she is. All right, she logged off. We'll wait temporarily again, a few more minutes. We'll be right back. All right, good morning, everyone. Court will resume with the November 14, 2022 docket. And I have Mr. Alfredo Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, Mr. Garcia. Good morning, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm in the courtroom here in Stark County. I apologize for not being there.
No, no
Um,
problem. We got your phone call, and you're here on F3008-22-4 in the matter of the marriage of let me see here, Rubicela
Rubicela.
Cuenta, Barrios Rodriguez versus Jose Luis Rodriguez Piñera. And it's the motion to withdraw, right, sir?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor. I have not had any contact with my client in weeks, possibly months. So I can't
Okay.
continue to represent her. There's been no answer filed by the respondent, Your Honor,
Okay.
at this point. So we're just asking to be allowed to withdraw
All right.
at this case, Your Honor.
All right, that'll be granted. Just make sure that the order is submitted. Okay, sir?
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor. Maybe
All
excuse.
right, thank you. You may be excused. Have a good day. Yeah.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Number 10.
Number 10, how about F2465-22-4 in the matter of the marriage of Rosa Elvia Salinas and Luis Ernesto Rendon. It was set for final judgment, but nobody has shown up here in the waiting room nor in the courtroom. So at this time, we'll pass it. No action. And we'll be right back, right? Thank you.